Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner firm. So today I am here with a new case study regarding Google Ads account, which was suspended for non-compliant with their terms and condition. There are certain errors through which your Google Ads can be suspended, like for circumventing system, for suspicious payment, for egregious violation, for counterfeit products. There can be many reasons, and sometimes it's like you are completely following the Google Ads policy, still your accounts get suspended. We help those cases. We help those cases where if there is a violation on your website, and we let you know that what kind of a violation is happening on your Google Ads account or on your website, which is causing the issue. And the suspension of your Google Ads account, and you know that if your Google Ads account is suspended, your other services with Google can also be suspended. We also help in restoration of Google Merchant Center and Facebook Ads accounts, and we help with the SEO services and even in the management of these services. So let's get started with the case study. So this is an account, and this account was suspended for 2 years, and the client, they tried themselves a lot, in restoring the account, but they were failed. So which is why when we started working out, and if you see on the notifications, you can see that your account is unsuspended, and if you see the pattern over here, is that the account had did not have any spend in the last few months. If I refresh it in front of you guys, so you guys may have an idea as well, that this one is running fine, working fine, and you can see over here as well that it's perfectly fine. So this is a successful case study, and you can see that whenever an account is unsuspended, it's always shown that you may need to update your billing information before your account can run out. So what we did, what exactly we did, through which we were able to get the account restored, which was, they tried for 2 years to restore it, and when they were quite hopeless, and when they were quite frustrated, and they almost lost the hope. So because the client, we worked with them with other projects as well, and I say that it is always a team effort. So I like to credit my team with this, because constantly getting in touch with the Google support, doing the changes required or suggesting the changes. Whenever there is a new order for Google Ads account restore, even for GMC or for any other issue, what we do is a thorough review of the website and then account. In this case, we did a thorough review of the Google Ads account. We did a thorough review of the website. So far we have, like for Google Ads, we have 100 plus steps checklist, where we ensure that if there is any compliance issue, or how, you may be asking how we got these 100 steps. We got this basis on the data of all clients, and because we have a dedicated support with the Google. So when we started discussing with the Google, and we came to know the issues, so we tried to sorted those issues, and there were some issues in the ads which were having were distributed in the past, and they were on the account, and they were like a lot of ads, which were pending in the account. Then we also did a website review for any violation, any issue. We did the ad copy review. We also looked at the competitors who are running the same ads like them. We thoroughly reviewed the website, like how come an account is not complying with the Google Ads terms and condition. We were very concerned regarding and when we did all of these things, we asked for a manual review and got the account back. I can do a fresh refresh in front of you guys to show you guys that this is not something fake, because we are a Google partner company, and we officially help people. So yeah, now I'm going to show you the notifications as well, that your account is unsuspended. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google Ads account, which was suspended for not complying with the terms and condition. So I hope you like this case study. And in case if you need Google Ads or Google Merchant Center, Facebook ad services, management, even suspension, even SU services, even web development services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to start with us. We offer various deals. So in case if you need one, you can click on the link in the description. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I write a new video, you guys get a notification. And in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.